Hey, it's JC on the mic together with tonight's player of the game for the opening game of the Albay Governors Cup 2026. Sir RD Magalog, Sir RD, how are you?
Okay naman.
Maganda yung laro natin. You guys were leading by double digits, basically from start to finish. Ano yung naging game plan nyo here tonight against very capable opponent rin in Team Malinao? Ano yung naging game plan natin?
Well, protect namin yung paint kasi malalaki sila and yung shooters nila kinlose out namin. Though nung third quarter pumutok sila pero nagbago kami ng defense, naka-adjust si coach, nag-zone kami and wala nang penetration kaya yung shooter nila medyo nakuha na namin sa labas.
Well, Sir RD, speaking of size, mukhang hindi naman kayo maliit na team rin. Quite an example is ikaw. How important are offensive rebounds? You guys, especially yourself, collected a lot of offensive and defensive rebounds. How important is it in that defensive game plan of yours?
Well, sabi nga 'di ba ni Sakuragi basta control mo yung rebound mo, control mo yung game. Yun
There
lang.
you go. No better man to quote in basketball than Michi Sakuragi. Last thing po, Sir RD, could I get you to give a message sa mga family, friends, supporters na nanonood sa iyo and sa team ninyo ngayong Governors Cup?
Lahat ng mga taga-UAS and Daraga, mga family ko and yung mga teammates ko sa Kamsur, Team Capital Kamsur, si Manay, si Coach Witt, tsaka lahat ng mga teammates ko, hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa. Yun lang. At tsaka yung wife ko, andito nanonood ngayon.
Thank you so much, Sir RD. Congratulations on your first win. Thank you po.